In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to buy an Apple gift card online. Whether you want to gift it to someone or use it for yourself, the process is quick and simple. First, launch your preferred browser and type in Buy Apple Gift Card. Different website links will appear. Scroll. Now select the official Apple website. Now scroll and select how would you like to send it. Now you're going to get different design options. Select the one that you want to send. Then choose an amount. $25, $50, or even a custom amount. Now enter the delivery details. Who is it for? Recipient name, recipient email address. Likewise, who is it from? Sender name and sender email address. Also, you can add a personalized message. Now press Add to Bag, then tap Checkout. At this point, you can either sign in with your Apple ID or continue as guest. Choose your payment method, review your order details, and then complete the purchase. That's it, your Apple gift card will be ready to send or use. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.